Good morning, children. Welcome to today's EVS class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, the world of animals. Children, do you see any animals around you? Yes, we see cat, dog, cow, hens, and many other animals and birds around our house, isn't it? Yes, there are different kinds of animals around us. The word animals includes a variety of living creatures such as animals, birds, insects, reptiles. And do you know, children, they live in different places. Some animals live in jungle and forest and they are called wild animals. So what we call the animals live in jungle and forest? Yes, wild animals. And give me some examples. Yes, the lion, tiger, deer, zebra, giraffe, elephants. These are some examples of wild animals. We can see these animals in a zoo also. And some animals live with us or on farms. They are called domestic animals. So, domestic animals include both farm animals and pet animals. Let's check which are farm animals. Yes, we can see here cow, goat, horse, camels, hens, donkey, buffaloes. These are some examples of farm animals. And why do we keep these animals? Do you know? Yes, we keep these animals because they help us in different ways. So we keep these animals in farms. How do these animals help us? Some animals gives us milk and some others gives us eggs, wool, meat and some carry things for us and some guard our house. So all these animals help us in different ways. So we keep these animals in farms. And next one is pet animals. Pet animals also include in domestic animals. These animals live in our homes like our family members. They are called pet animals. You know some examples. Cat, dog, fish, parrots and some other birds. These are some examples of pet animals. We love these animals like our family members. Now we will learn different animals live on land, animals live in water, animals that live on land and in water, animals that live on trees, natural homes of animals, man-made homes of animals. Some animals live in water. Some animals live on land. Some animals live both in water and on land. And some animals live on trees. Let's check which are these animals. First, animals live on land. Do you know, children? Most animals live on land have 4 legs and a tail. Can you name some animals which live on land? Yes, we know so many animals, isn't it? Lion, deer, camel, elephant, cat, zebra, fox, cow, goat, buffalo. There are so many examples for the animals live on land, isn't it? And the next is animals that live in water. We know some animals live in water and they have special body parts that help them to move and breathe in water. For example, you can see here fish, dolphin, octopus, crab, prawn, whales, starfish. These are some examples of animals live in water. And the next is animals live on land and in water. We know there are some animals that live both on land and in water. For example, hippopotamus, frog, seal, tortoise are some examples of animals live on land and in water. Their skin allows water and air pass through it. So these animals have a special type of skin and that skin allows water and air pass through it. So they can live both in water and on land. Next, animals. Animals that live on trees. We know many birds and insects and monkeys live on trees. Birds have wings and feathers which help them to fly high. So they live on trees. Some insects also have wings to fly. So they also live on trees. So far we have learned about animals that live in different places. Now we are going to learn about different types of animal houses. Some animals live in their natural homes. Some animals make their own homes. And humans build homes for their domestic animals and pet animals. Let us first look at which animals live in their natural homes. You can see here, lions live in den and rabbits live in burrow. These are their natural homes. And most of the birds make their own homes. You can see here. Birds make their own nests. And next picture you can see, this is a beehive. So bees also make their own home. That is known as hives. Bees make their own hives to live in. Next one, man-made homes. Man-made homes of animals. We built different kinds of homes for our domestic animals so that they can live comfortably. And we make kennels for dogs, stable for horse, cows are kept in sheds, hens are kept in coops, and sheep are kept in pens. Once again, we make kennels for dog and horse are kept in stable. Cows are kept in sheds. Hens are kept in coops. Sheep are kept in pens. So, today we discussed wild animals and domestic animals. Different animals live on land. Animals live in water. Animals live both on land and in water. Animals that live on trees. Natural homes of animals. Man-made homes of animals. This is all for today. Rest of the chapter we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.